Hello friends, this is Raman from tradingwithvenus.com. This is our week 11 account review for our live account and the Turning Pro Challenge. Just a quick disclaimer before we get started. This is for educational purposes only. Trading is a risky business, so please be very careful with your money. As you're aware, the purpose of the Turning Pro Challenge is to go from being amateur traders and become professional traders. So our goal is to adapt the behaviors and actions of professional traders so that we can get the results that professional traders get as well. If you haven't joined the Turning Pro Challenge and you would like to go through the challenge with me, I invite you to download the workbook. So this is the workbook that I use for tracking the Turning Pro Challenge, the different actions that I do. And you can go to tradingwithvenus.com/turnpro to join me in this challenge. The purpose of the challenge is that we set a goal, we make a plan, and then we basically execute on that plan in order to achieve our goal. So there are three key elements of this challenge. First is preparation. So we need daily preparation before we actually start trading. So this is creating our trade plan and making sure we do our preparation the night before, not when we are ready to execute. So once we have done the preparation, the next day we come and execute on that. And third thing is doing the review to look back and see what happened, what went well, what did not go well, and then going forward from there. So let's go on to our scorecard. The scorecard is the place where I keep track on an ongoing basis as to how I performed this week. In this case here, in terms of preparation, I did check my news every single day before trading. I completed my market analysis, and then I also had potential entries and target levels identified. So in this case, I get full marks here. So I trade 3 days a week, and as such, I get 3 marks for each day because I did this well. In terms of execution here, trades taken as planned. I think I could have done a better job on this one. There was a couple of trades that I could have done a better job in terms of managing them. And also there was a trade that I got into that was a poor choice, and that needs to be avoided going forward. So I would give myself a 2. In terms of entering stop losses, I was good with that this week, and setting profit targets as well. I did that as soon as I entered the trade. So all of that was good. Trade management, again, I give myself a 2 because there were a couple of times where I could have managed the trades better, and I did not do such a good job on that. So out of 3, I would give myself a 2 here. And in terms of trades taken as planned, that would be a 2 there as well. Post-market review, this is an area that I'm still working on. I need to improve upon this. I have created a new daily review model, or a new template for journaling the trades, which also includes a daily review, which is basically based on our the Turning Pro Challenge workbook, but I've consolidated all of that into the daily trade journal so that I will be sure to do that. So this is an area I'm still working on. That's why there's a 2 here. And managing emotions, like I said, I struggled with a couple of trades there, and I could have done a better job of managing the whole thing. And it's the emotions that come into play here. So this is where I give myself a 2 here as well. So out of 6, I only get 4 in terms of review. So I get 9 out of 9 in preparation, and then I get 10 out of 14. Sorry, no, 10 out of 14, 12 out of 12 here, and then 4 out of 6 for the review. So let's go on to the actual account to see where I stand for this week. So this is the account. The balance at this point is, or at the end of last week, was $5,479.98. That's the equity that is in there. So let's go back and we'll take a look at how we are progressing. So this is the spreadsheet that I have been using for the challenge. We started off at $3,500. So currently I'm at $5,479. So this week's profit was $521.45. So after making a bit of a mess here the previous week, I'm on my way to recovery, which is good. Have a positive result, so that is good. It was still a little challenging getting over because the fear comes into play now, and you're afraid of making mistakes. So there was still some mindset stuff that I had to work on. So, however, the trades were closed in a positive, so which is a good thing. So we're back on track in that sense. So currently, the way things stand, this week's profit was $521.45. Overall profit since the beginning of the challenge is $1,940.57. So current account balance is $5,479.98, which brings us to overall percentage return of 55.44%. So we're still in the positive territory here. So going forward, it's all about just making sure I manage my emotions properly and also managing the trades properly. So that's all for now. We'll call it a wrap. You guys have a wonderful weekend and a great trading week. I'll be back with another analysis at the end of next week. So have a wonderful trading week, and I'll see you next time.